Welcome to the demonstration of NetSuite's Advanced Revenue Management. These revenue features allow us to manage complex revenue allocations, as well as maintain separate fair value pricing tables, all without duplicating or modifying existing product SKUs. I'm going to start from the role of a revenue manager. Let's assume our company sold the same two products to two different customers. Emma Richards sold Sales Order 425 for West Coast IO. I can see she's sold a SaaS license with a 15% discount, professional services, and for a total of $28,400. Will Clark sold East Coast IO, Sales Order 426, identical products, pricing, again for a total of $28,400. Automation of both billing and revenue recognition starts at an item level. Let's go ahead and take a look. Think of an item like a product SKU. In the item record itself, we can dictate subsidiaries that can sell this product, revenue recognition rules for both a forecast and an actual plan, revenue allocation groups, our billing schedules, and even currencies in which we can bill this item or recognize revenue. Setting these defaults at an item level eliminates duplicating SKUs to accommodate all of these attributes. On Sales Order 425, I can see a revenue arrangement has automatically been created by NetSuite. This is a separate record in NetSuite to manage how revenue will be recognized, and it's independent from billing. I can see how NetSuite has automatically allocated revenue. After the allocation, each of these items will have respective revenue recognition rules, in this case exact days for our SaaS license and upon fulfillment for professional services. In this case, a relative fair value allocation was used based on list price. We can also see NetSuite is managing contract deferral costs to recognize at a future date. A deferred cost journal entry is automatically created from the revenue arrangement. In looking at Sales Order 426 and observing the revenue arrangement, I can see that a different revenue allocation has taken place. In this case, more dollars were allocated to our SaaS license, even though the same products were sold for the same price. NetSuite also took associated contract expenses and allocated them differently as well. NetSuite uses a separate fair value table to manage standalone selling prices and fair values. Let's take a look. We focused on the same two products sold for two customers. Here I can see East Coast and West Coast IOs have different fair values for the same products. We can dictate fair value pricing to a customer, subsidiary, class, location, custom dimension, or any combination thereof. Fair value pricing in NetSuite can also be dynamically calculated based on sales price of the entire contract. An example would be professional services calculated on a percentage of the entire contract value. Fair values can have effective dates, which make managing these on a quarterly or annual basis much easier. Once the initial setup is complete, there's no need for any risky manual intervention when it comes to revenue recognition. We can set reminders in NetSuite to update standalone selling prices and modify contracts for different customers, subsidiaries, or other dimensions. In stepping back and looking at our revenue recognition forecast report, we can see holistically how revenue is recognized to date, as well as over the life of the period of the contract. Again, I can see East Coast IO and West Coast IO for their same contract values, but revenue to be taking place differently over that life of the contract. Advanced revenue management also includes the ability to merge arrangements, edit existing arrangements, and treat revenue that's recognized but not yet billed as unbilled accounts receivable, systematically. Thank you for watching this demonstration. If you have any questions, please reach out to your account manager.